Hello everyone, this is Akshat Khanna. I am currently in the final year pursuing my bachelor's in technology in computer science from SRM University Chennai, and I have built this product Guru School as a part of Microsoft Engage mentorship program. And the problem statement was to build a functional prototype that gives students an array of digital and social tools to stay engaged with their studies. To overcome this, I built this Guru School web app, and this is the architecture diagram in which we have a client side and the backend, and along with the database. So the tech stack includes, in front end I have used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap and JavaScript, and for the backend I have used MySQL and Django, and it is deployed on Heroku. I have shared the link in the GitHub repository. Also, the timeline was like in week one, it was the ideation phase. All the ideas were developed and decided upon the tech stack. And I started with the development on feature one, that was scheduler. And in week two, I continued the development of the scheduler feature. And then I moved to the group discussion and all the email alerting part. And I moved to enhancing the UI and making it responsive for mobile screens. And in the week three, it was mainly minimizing the code, also adding the comments, and the last but not the least was the deployment and the testing part. Okay, so let's start with the demo. So in GitHub, I have provided all the instruction to run Guru School on your local machine. You just follow these steps to set up on your local server. And Guru School, believe bigger, aim higher. So we are creating a community of diverse learners. This platform will help you manage all the classroom related stuff at one point. So the features that I'll be demonstrating are group discussion, slot booking, email alerts. And if you want to know about the whole journey in the Microsoft Engage program, you can hit this timeline button. The services that I will be showing is group discussion, slot booking and the email alerts. So without wasting much time, just click on get started button, and first I'll be registering as a faculty. Now I'll log in as from the faculty account. Okay, so here I have logged in as a teacher. Like you can see here, welcome teacher Akshat. So we'll quickly go to create slot here, and you can see some of the slots are existing here. So this is the introduction to C++ algorithm. So in the similar way, we can create a new slot and give the title data structure. The teacher can only create slots for next week. So I'll create a slot for date 3, that is Friday 3rd of December. If you want to allow online student, you can check this online student button and provide the meeting link, and it will create a new slot for you. Like you can even edit or delete this slot. Here I got a alert like new in-person class slot, data structure, title, all the details here. So now I have logged in as a student user. So here you can see welcome student Akshat. So in the services there is no create slot button because it is a user based permission, because a student cannot create a slot. So I'll go to view book slot. I can see the existing slots here. So in introduction to C++, there are no slots available. You can see available slots are 0. So it is not showing book button, but in algorithms and the data structure class we still have available slots. So I'll quickly book the slot for the class data structure. If you want to book the physical slot, you can hit on this book button. So as soon as you hit on this book button, thank you. As you can see that I'll also get the notification here. Your slot has been successful. Next feature that I want to show here is the group discussion. So for that, I'll go to group discussion. Hit on create GD slot. Number of groups will be 10. Create slot button, and there I have the join group discussion. I can log into the student account and hit on join discussion. I can choose my preferred seat for my group. Only these 4 students can join the link of table 1, and all other tables have their unique links for the table, and in this way the privacy is protected. Thank you.